It took teams of Honda experts more than 20 years to create this incredible piece of technology. We're talking experts in the fields of physics, anatomy, mathematics, chemistry, computer sciences, mechanical, and electrical engineering. And all of that science comes together in this package. Check this out. ASIMO, this way please. Now, if I'm sitting down, or in a wheelchair like my wife, ASIMO's camera eyes are at the same level as my eyes, making communication very easy. And if you take a look at the screen, you can see ASIMO looking at me. Hi, ASIMO.
Hello, Kevin.
ASIMO, why don't you turn out and look at all of our new friends? Everybody, wave and say hello to ASIMO.
Hi, ASIMO.
Hello, everybody.
Now, you may be wondering why ASIMO isn't on wheels or treads or something like that. Well, ASIMO was designed to help people, and to be a helper in our world where we need to reach for things and pick things up, or navigate along floors or sidewalks, even climb a set of stairs. What better design than a humanoid robot, one with 2 arms and 2 legs? ASIMO, how tall are you?
I'm 4 feet and 3 inches tall.
Which is the perfect size for switching lights on and off, or opening and closing doors, working at table surfaces, or even just picking things up and moving things around inside of a house. ASIMO, how much do you weigh?
I weigh 119 pounds.
I wonder what that is in metric. It's 2.27
I'm
pounds per kilo.
130 centimeters tall and weigh 54 kilograms.
Okay. Hey, how fast can you walk?
I can walk about 2 miles per hour.
And I wonder what
That would
is.
be about 3 kilometers per hour.
That's exactly right. Nicely done, ASIMO.
Thank you, Kevin.
Now, in order to operate in our world, a robot must be able to walk like a human. And walking is very complicated now. Follow me on this. With each step I take, my brain must send countless signals at lightning speed through my nervous system to the... through my nervous system to all of the muscles, tendons, and ligaments in my legs, hips, arms, and shoulders, which all have to move in sync just to keep my balance. Very cute, ASIMO. Now, the really amazing thing is that ASIMO does something very similar, only ASIMO uses motors, sensors, and computers to maintain its balance and walk like a human. ASIMO can sidestep, both in a straight line or on a curve. Or on a curve, which will definitely come in handy in this household with all of its constantly changing obstacles. That'll be a big plus for my kids. Oh, even more impressive, not only can ASIMO walk forward, but ASIMO can walk backward as well, constantly adjusting its center of gravity with each step, just like us. In fact, ASIMO's balance is so good, well, just watch. ASIMO, please balance on 1 foot, like this. Show off. Now, it looks easy, but ASIMO must constantly analyze data from all its sensors and 34 separate servo motors. You know, ASIMO, looks like you can do just about anything, except fly. Yet.
But I can play soccer.
That's right, you can play soccer, and if I'm not mistaken, yep, it looks like Molly left us her soccer ball. So, go ahead and get you situated here. But wait, don't kick it yet. It's not official until we have some goal posts. All right, ASIMO, go for it. Go! Oh, great job, ASIMO. You know, yeah, celebrate. You know, kicking that soccer ball required some technically advanced balance, stability, and coordination. You know, with your ability to recognize voice commands and navigate effortlessly through your environment, it is easy to see how helpful you're going to be around the house. And ASIMO can be helpful in many different ways. ASIMO, could you please use your wireless networking capabilities to go online and give me tonight's forecast?
Yes, I will go online.
My wife and I are going outside for our anniversary
cloudy, with a high in the mid-60s.
I'll make sure she brings a sweater. Thank you, ASIMO. Now, ASIMO's current role is a helper around the home. But someday, ASIMO may do work that's dangerous for humans, like fighting fires, or work in unhealthy environments, like cleaning up toxic spills. In fact, someday
But
ASIMO...
I'm not only designed to help, I can also have fun.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. Hey, would anybody out there like to see ASIMO dance?
Woo!
Well, ASIMO, the people have spoken. Hit it! Okay, I'm going to try to follow along here. I think ASIMO's out of my league. How about we help out just by clapping along to the beat? What do you guys think about ASIMO dancing? My favorite move is this one. Actually, ASIMO, could you do me a favor?
Yes, Kevin.
Could you please go upstairs and look into the room on the right and check if it's ready for my parents?
Of course.
Wow. Now, what we're about to see is one of ASIMO's most challenging maneuvers, made possible by combining all of its onboard technology. The ability to climb a set of stairs with smoothness and precision is the culmination of more than 2 decades of research and development. To perform this feat, ASIMO stops momentarily at the base of the stairs and adjusts its position by reading a mark on the floor using a sensor in its torso. ASIMO, are you ready?
I am ready.
All right then, go for it. With each step, ASIMO must adapt and constantly counterbalance using all of its computing to remain upright, adjusting all along the way. Way to go, ASIMO! Wow. Now that is a truly historic step forward in human technological progress. Oh. Okay, ASIMO, just take a peek in that bedroom for me. And the bedroom looks perfect. Thank you, ASIMO.
You're welcome.
Now, if you thought the way up was difficult, you ain't seen nothing yet. It takes even more balance and precision to make it back down. You're ready whenever you are, ASIMO. Once more, ASIMO searches for the correct position by reading the mark on the floor with the sensor in its torso. And once it determines the correct position, it descends the stairs, constantly adjusting itself as necessary, all the way down. Great job, ASIMO. Wow. Well, there's nothing that can top that. So, if you'd like to learn more,
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Yes, ASIMO.
I can even run.
Oh, that's right, you can, and it looks like you've got the room. Okay, ASIMO, you go ahead and get yourself ready. And folks, there's one more thing we have to show you. Wow, I'm actually kind of excited about this. I've never seen this in person. I've only ever heard about it. But ASIMO can actually run. And it looks like ASIMO is warming up, which is important to do before any sort of physical activity. Nobody wants to get a cramp in a servo motor. Now, in order to run, both of ASIMO's feet must be off the ground at the same time, if only for a moment. And ASIMO is the only life-size humanoid robot in the world that can run at very high speeds, nearly 4 miles per hour, which in metric would be about 6 kilometers per hour. Okay, ASIMO, you tell me when you're ready.
I am ready.
Okay? On your mark, get set, go! Wow! That was great, ASIMO. Hey, turn around. Let's take a look at that in slow motion. Check it out, ASIMO. You are airborne, meaning both of your feet are off the ground for about 0.08 seconds, which is very similar to that of a running human. Most impressive, ASIMO.
Thank you, Kevin.
Now, if you would like to learn more, you can check out the website at asimo.honda.com. And